Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you a review of Dermalogica skincare, which is this, and I've got quite a few things and I've never actually tried them before, and I know you sometimes see them quite a bit on like Instagram and things, but obviously they are quite expensive, so I've never bought them before, so I'm really intrigued to see how these work. So if you want to know, then carry on watching. So up first is the pre-cleanse balm, and it comes with this as well to help scrub all the makeup off. So I'm just going to try this one first. So with this you put the balm straight onto this, like that, and then you rub this onto your face while your face is dry. I look a bit like a clown, but okay. And then you just go and rinse this off. So I've just washed all of that off and it's brought off all of my makeup and my skin feels so soft. Like, that's just incredible. As it's oil based, you also have to follow with another cleanser to get rid of all of that. And this is the special cleansing gel. And this, you just apply a small pump into your hand and massage that into wet skin. So I'm just going to go wet my face. To wash this off as well. So next up is their daily super exfoliant, which is one of their new products, and I don't know if you're supposed to use this after I've just used them too, but just for the sake of this video I am going to. This is one you can use daily, but if you have sensitive skin it's advised that you don't. And with this you apply a small amount into wet hands and rub that into your face, and obviously avoid your eyes with this one, and then just wash it off. Lastly, I have their skin smoothing cream, which is a moisturiser, and although it says for combination dry skin, I have more oily, but I do have some dry areas as well. And this, you can use it twice a day, morning and night. And I know they haven't given me a toner either, so I would normally use toner in between everything, but as they haven't given one, I'm just going to go straight in with this. All the products from Dermalogica. I actually really enjoyed using them. The super exfoliant doesn't feel like how I expected to. I thought it would be really gritty, but it's actually quite smoothing on the skin, so I don't know how well that's going to work for my skin, but obviously I've only tried it once, so I can't judge it just based on that. But this of course is a first impressions video, so there you go. The one I most enjoyed using was the pre-cleanse balm. This got off my makeup so well, and I did actually have quite a bit on as well. Like, I had a matte lipstick and that brought it off. And the little handheld scrubby thing, that is such a good idea, and it really did help as well. All the products actually have different sort of smells. This smells quite nice, sort of refreshing. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And also let me know if you've tried any of these products before or if I've used them wrong, which I may have done, I'm not sure. But I'll see you soon in another video. Bye!